Hi, I'm Luc Bichard and I'd like to ask you a question. When does grief become a grievance? When does pain become imprisonment? When does hurt turn into hate? And when does being consumed by loss become a consumption? If you're feeling powerless over the past and want to live more in the here and now, then join registered psychologist Jessica Rosin and myself for our program, Moving Past the Past with Forgiveness, where we will help you look at forgiveness differently and help you move from resistance to resignation, from opposition and aversion to acceptance, and from pain and suffering to peace of mind. Join our 6-week experiential group process where we will help you live more in the here and now and step back into your power. Register now because there's only 10 in-person spots available and about half of those have already been claimed. Let me ask you one last question. When is it time to deal with this stuff? When is it time to deal with the grievances that you're holding from the past, the people that are living rent-free in your brain? When are you going to deal with that if you don't deal with that now? Because if you don't, it's just going to keep going and you're still going to be having this experience. So join our program now and move past the past and live in the now. Thank you.